It's a lot of fun picking out what goes on the exterior of the home. When I think of my home, or really any of these homes that we help people build, I think of the wow factor.
With the interior of his floor plan finalized, Zack's last step is to select the exterior design elements and finishes. Today, Zack will be meeting with Derek Schultz, design expert at Golden Eagle Log and Timber Homes. They'll start the process with the windows, as they discuss the options and features available in Golden Eagle's custom timber package.
When selecting my windows, my top consideration was, I want as much glass as possible. So for me, I didn't have to worry about privacy. I'm in the middle of a wooded lot. I don't have any neighbors. And I also wanted as much natural light as possible. And then the other consideration I had is I want to make sure that what I choose for my colors as well as the style, it blends well with what I'm looking to do with the rest of the home.
This particular unit is a double hung unit, which means that both sashes, the bottom sash as well as the top sash, are operational. The advantages to this are that you are able to clean this unit by simply pulling these tabs in and cleaning like that. We are also able to do that to the top sash. So especially for areas of your home that aren't going to be easily accessible from ground levels, you don't want to get out a ladder, a double hung unit is definitely a good option for you there. These Encompass vinyl units also have options as far as grills. The window grills for this unit are between the glass, so you don't have to worry about cleaning those separately. One other advantage to this Pella Encompass vinyl unit is that it is maintenance free. It's not going to require any additional maintenance on the exterior or the interior of the home years down the road. This particular Pella unit has an aluminum clad exterior with a wood interior that I'll be showing you shortly. This also has an argon filled glass as well as UV coating, similar to the Encompass unit that I had showed you earlier. One of the advantages to this particular unit is that it's a casement unit, which happens to be our most energy efficient unit available. The reason being, anytime wind were to blow on this unit, it actually helps close the unit tighter than what like a double hung unit would possibly do. There's approximately 30 different colors available for the exterior of your home, as well as different color options available once we get to the inside. First off, addressing the hardware. There's going to be 8 different colors available for you to choose from on the hardware, as well as 4 different wood species available for the interior of the window. Another advantage to these Pella units is that we have the ability to put accessories between the glass, which helps reduce allergens. This particular unit shows shades, which are able to be installed from the top down, or they could be installed at the bottom and moved up, which would allow for additional privacy in bathrooms or bedrooms, for example. Other advantages to these windows is this retractable roll screen here. When it comes time to cleaning these windows, you'll simply be able to roll the screen away, unlock the unit, which actually sets both locks. Once it's open, you'll be able to clean the glass from the inside of your home on the exterior as well as the interior. To make your life easier, we're able to offer several different pre-finished colors on the interior of your windows, your tongue and groove, and the interior doors, which will all match.
So there's so many options. It's really a lot of fun, and it really can accent a home very well.
Next, they'll head outside to discuss different design options for the exterior of the home.
We've got this board-on-board cedar here running vertically. This is certainly a good option to run up in your gables to bring a different architectural element into the home. It shows our hand-hewn texture on the vertical corner that we have here. All of this is a nice way to bring in different colors on your home. Bringing in the architectural element of cultured stone on the lower portion of your home is also a nice way to not only help reduce maintenance, but bring in that additional texture that we're looking for when it comes to designing your home. Different architectural elements that we show on this are going to be the rustic channel vertical cedar that we have up in the gable, which also has that band board providing that transition between your gable finish and the wood soffit. What's very common is for customers to use the aluminum soffit, where this wood soffit really brings in a whole nother option for you to bring some color into the home. And then also, instead of using steel fascia, we've got a stepped wood fascia that is just stained and looks nice and complements the logs really well. Also, the decorative truss that we have there, it's nice to set that off with a darker accent stain as opposed to the lighter stain that we're showing on that vertical channel. It really helps differentiate that rustic element in your home.
I decided to use our 12-inch double hewn half log, and I just think it's so cool. We're the only ones that offer it. It goes up to 12 inches tall, and it's got the rough hand-hewn finish on it, so it looks really rugged and really strong. And then to complement that, I actually went with really big vertical corners. Now I could have chosen any corner style that we offer, but I decided to stick with the vertical corners because it's simple, it's elegant, and I think it really pairs well with the timber frame style.
With his log shape, size, and texture chosen, Zack now selects his stain and caulk color. He then chooses a cultured stone to match, as well as shingles that complement the rest of the home. Lastly, he chooses a maintenance-free soffit and fascia.
It was really easy to pick out all of the exterior finishes. Derek helped guide me through the showroom, which was very helpful because, first of all, I don't have to go around to all these different stores and compare different samples and colors and finishes. But also it made things more efficient. We were able to collaborate on ideas. Now that all of the exterior and interior finishes are selected, we can get everything manufactured and ordered.
Now that his floor plan is complete, they're ready for the next phase, construction. Follow along in the next episode as Zack breaks ground on his custom Golden Eagle log and timber home.